As part of a promise to Oredo people, the Oredo Local Government Council chairmo don't carry better development enter the area on Wednesday 11 September 2024. The council chairmo, Dr. Obaseki, flag off the renovation of Ogbe Junior Secondary School, landscaping of Oghene Primary School, and asphalting of Omoruyi and Victor Street. The council boss, Dr. Obaseki, and the team first land for Ogbe community, where he officially flag off the renovation of Ogbe Junior School. For in talk, Dr. Obaseki can beg the community say make them help protect the ongoing project from vandalism and tifitifi people. He come here and say the project they fully funded and it go dey completed within 3 to 4 weeks. A Costi talk say,
we are here today to kick off the renovation works of Ogbe Junior School. I want to use this opportunity to appeal to communities. We know that the government will try to always make sure that our facilities are fully built and fully secured. But everything has to be in phases. I met my way here, but we can't do everything at once. We understand that there needs to be proper fencing of this facility. But before we come to fence, I make a special appeal to the community that you should need to support us to protect this renovation that we are bringing to this place. Because I win again Kilimana do winana, I can't aware. But you can see that this is a total act of vandalization. It's an act of human being. And it was not just an act of human being, it was a deliberate act of human being to vandalize. It is not infrastructural breakdown based on length of use. When you are in a place, you need to be doing small maintenance. But from what we see here, it's a deliberate act of vandalization, human vandalization. Please, I want to appeal to the community. You are protect whatever we want to put here. Because this school definitely was made before, and we are coming back again to do it when we would have been making progress to do new blocks, build new blocks or build other things for the school. But you see, we have to quickly make this comfortable for our children. So I'm happy at least we are starting with the first step to create a conducive environment for our children in the junior school in Ogbe here. And hopefully within the next 3 to 4 weeks, the project should be completed and the students should move into it. It is not a project that we are going to do on credit. It's a project that we already have 100% finance. That is not by loan. It is by the goodwill of the people of Oredo who have steadfastly been paying their fees and taxes and that we are applying to this project. So it is your tax and your rates working for you. 100% fully financed, no loan.
Odion Werepa Osaiti Sunday contact the chairmo for the work wey they do for the community and come back and say make them use better materials so them no go fit vandalize the school again.
The press who are a man. My advice, Mr. Chairman, in my time now, we are renovating the school. Oh, the only interest I have, strong protector. And the roof you have protector too. If you do it, I will be happy. Because myself, at the moment, I used to come to this school, see different type of people here in Ogbe. It's Ogbe, secondary school. Sometimes I come to pursue people here. My appeal, strong protector, and the roof, where you have the ceiling, you also have protector too. They cannot just climb and come down and steal your chest. Sometimes they just repair the school, they come and store things there, it's not good. They serious protector. That is my appeal, Mr. Chairman, begging you.
Since I'm married to setting the Obama Obaseki defense, Walao Arioba, Waguma Veguale security. On avait un giant vason, on avait un goût un giant vason. Dans la son libre non, n'a rien de dans les chiens. Ogani ana to alema na mwaka ya kokere. Do ya vule, ya sa to do vule ni. On est the security renovation.
Principals Ogbe Junior and Senior Schools, Madam Tina Uwari-Ekede and Madam Toha Augustine, and the head boy of Ogbe Secondary School thank the Edo State Government and Oredo Council chairmo for the better development with them bring come the community.
We want to appreciate our chairman, Dr. Tom Obaseki, for the work you want to begin in this compound. We really appreciate you on behalf of the children, the teachers and the community. We say thank you and God bless you. I will pray that the Almighty God that have brought you here to give you the energy, the strength, the resources to be able to complete it as you have actually promised us. We say once again, thank you very much. We appreciate it. God bless you.
A big thank you to our chairman again, Dr. Tom Obaseki. We want to say thank you very much for this kind gesture. Whether you call it junior school or senior school, you know why? I am receiving the junior school into the senior school. And because the chairman has come to flag this off, my letter is already on his table. I've told him that the senior school, we are in his constituency. Yeah. And as it is, from what my governor does, all the children, we hold them together, isn't it? Yeah. So I know very well, flagging this off is just a little thing my chairman is starting. He's going to continue from there. Yes. And the most important thing is that he has told us that the project is 100% paid for. In this present era, we have said it again and again, we are not indebted to anybody. In Edo State, education is on the run. We are not walking, we are not crawling, we are running. And of course, this is made possible by the policies my own governor has put in place, His Excellency, the governor of Edo State, Governor Nogegase Obaseki. And as it is, we're not going backwards. And that is why the community are here. Yes, whoever wants to put the hands and any pilots or any bag that will not move us forward, you are on your own. For me, every month my salary comes as I went due. Yes. My teachers' money comes as I went due. Yes. The children have a very good learning environment. Yes, at the senior secondary school, I wrote the script severally for all children in Edo State to work on. And so many things this administration has done. We can't go backwards. At all. And I stand as a person. I stand on behalf of the school to say, forward ever, Edo. Forward ever, Edo.
I want to say a big thank you to Mr. Chairman and to everyone here present for this kind gesture. On the behalf of the students of Ogbe Secondary School, to say a big thank you to you all.
From Ogbe community, the council team come waka go Ogene for Oredo Ward 5, where them don already start the renovation of Ogene Primary School. Dr. Obaseki Koyan, the people say apart from the renovation, then go build 4 toilets for the school and 2 for the community, and say them go also fix the school fence. On top the Edo State governorship election matter, Dr. Obaseki Konto say na APC they fund Labour Party to scatter PDP votes, just like them do for 2023 election. He come beg the people to reject APC and Labour Party, say vote for Labour Party, now vote for APC. A Costi talk say,
this is the benefit that come to communities when you have the right people in office. Today, we have a governor that is performing. Godwin Obaseki of the PDP. Ogbe, Ogbe. So you expect that when the governor have perform, don't have it all the moment they not perform, which is as well you die. So the appeal they are making right now is that they must make sure we continue with the PDP government in the next election, which is the next week, 21st of September. My humble boy, that umbrella, that big umbrella of PDP that has covered and protected Nigerians since this third republic since 1999. Aswa Igodalo is the man we should go for. Don't be. Let us not be deceived. A problem in my Yena, in this country, we did not have this problem until about 8 years ago, 9 years ago. About 9 years ago, when APC government came. APC Makande 7,800, 7,500, you have more than 45,000. All the while, my 7 years and a half is now over 100,000. So if we continue like this, that means in the next 1 year, we are gone as a people. So we cannot make that mistake. Now, to also compound something, I want to reveal a secret to all of you today. This is a very serious matter. I'm sure a very so mama boy and not soon. Last year election, if it was a direct competition between PDP and APC, PDP would have won that election. Oh, yes. Because in the Buhari cast it was so bad that we all rejected the party. They knew they would not get up to 30%. So what did they do? They have found the other party to come and reduce our own vote. So a lot of you don't understand that in 2023, Labour was financed by APC to destroy PDP. That is why if you put the 2 votes, no be mere, take with article mere, it was almost 70% of the vote. But you're not legal because you are funding a Labour Party. And that is what they are doing in the do today. Ask yourself, will you be there? But you go to the is being funded by the APC government. Just so I want you to realize one thing today, that if you think you want to go and vote Labour, you are voting APC. Yes. So let's not make that mistake at all. Let's go and continue and vote PDP so that we can continue to enjoy and benefit from this dividend of democracy. Yes. That umbrella, please just thumb your finger on that, against that umbrella space on the 21st of September. That is the only way we can guarantee a better future for all of us. So please, I want to quickly say that before we go to the field to go and inaugurate the work that we have come to do here. Now, in a summary, is to try to make this facility be useful to both the community and the school. We are going to enhance the value and quality of the infrastructure for the students, while at the same time also creating a place for the community to also recreate and relax and flex themselves in terms of sporting and all that. So a block is now not dilapidated, and we are going to bring it down. We are bringing this whole block down. We are taking a fence now to separate the school. We are renovating those 2 blocks. Those 2 blocks will be renovated, so that the school will now come to this section. Later we will renovate that one, but that is not what we are doing now. But I renovated these 3 blocks. Once those 2 blocks are renovated, it will be enough to hold the school based on the correct population. The plan is to ultimately we will renovate the other one so that the whole school will be fully accommodated, because we know that once this school is properly renovated, children's population will increase. So that is the plan.
For their talk with our Tory person, Oredo local government chairmo Dr. Tom Obaseki, chief of Ogene community, Sir Captain Chris, Oredo Ward 5 councillor Honorable Iyoha Monica, and others come talk say,
fully funded. We are not taking any facility from the bank. So it is another way of telling you that we are here as a government to work for you and to serve the people. So this project is fully funded. There's no loan facility. You cannot see that we are applying the resources available of the local government for the development of the people.
We even visited Ogbe when he was chairman of the local government in Oredo here, trying to get this thing done. So we are in fact delighted that at this point in time, we have someone who deems it fit to come here and do this renovation for us. So we must say thank you to the government of the day for remembering that we are part of the system and putting on here an FDFs that we can be proud of. And I've told the chairman that he started very well, beginning to have confidence in him, because he told me just a few weeks ago that he will be coming to launch this project. And here he is. So I'm indeed delighted to be here.
I'm very happy seeing this happening during my time, because in the history of councillor in this world, this has never happened. So I'm grateful to Tom Obaseki for this that he has done for this world. We are delighted. I want to also use this medium to appreciate the state governor, Godwin Obaseki, for the one that he is doing for the state. At least, it has never happened in the time past. I'm very happy to see this welcome development in Oredo Ward 5 and the whole of Edo State.
So I'm very happy today for me to see this school again in a modern way. I thank Tom Obaseki to remodern this school for my children and children that comes in times coming. So thank God for his life.
The team come also carry waka go Oredo Ward 3, where they want put asphalt for Omoruyi and Victor Street. Dr. Obaseki come talk say this project now waiting good government dey about, say cause say it go benefit the people and bring development come the community. E come yarn say the project dey fully funded and go dey completed within 90 days. Dr. Obaseki come still beg the people say make them support the PDP governorship candidate for the Edo governorship election wey go shele for September 21, 2024.
This is what government is all about. Bringing development to the people and community. Government wa lapo or wa move from house to house. But with this kind of development in the Mabude now, it will help to also enhance the value of every property in our area now. So by the grace of God, when these road works are completed, you will see that your value of your property will increase. And I'm afraid to say also, anyway, it will be total benefit for everybody. Total benefit for everybody. Because the motto, I visited mechanic very often. Because then, moving freely for commercial activities, it will be easier for everybody. So you see that it is beneficial for everybody. This is what happens when you have a government that is working for you. This is a continuation of a government, only God, only PDP, that is working for the people, adding value to the people. As an ordena, Saturday next week, Nimalao, Nimare Ladia, Tiemo, Are, Lieutenant, everybody within our neighborhoods, Nimavia Yaladia, Ayario Boye, the umbrella, the PDP, so that Aswa Odalo will be the next governor of Edo State. By the grace of God, this project is 100% funded, provision of the funds made available. Nothing will delay the project. Mamaye Bank loan. It is the use, prudent and judicious use of the money of the people for the people. That is what we do in PDP. We use our resources to develop our people, develop our environment. So by the grace of God, that is what this project is all about. It's apart from weather disturbance, we hope that within the next 90 days, we should complete this project. Unless weather disturbance, we should complete it within the next 90 days. Please, I will need to first also, before I drop the mic, to apologize for coming late. While here, so no, that's the trick. I don't like to always mention them. I call them another problem coming. But not them, another all police congress. All police congress. Because what they are all doing is arresting everybody. You argue with somebody now, here we arrest you. Arguments offense. And I judge you. In fact, I'll tell you what judge you in here. I want to move my way Abuja. That is what we are calling them, all police congress. Police to a young chairman from Obama side, Abuja. Just for no offense. He was attacked. They are taking everybody. That is what they are doing. So, please, let us not be cajoled. Let us not be afraid. Let us come that day. If we come out in our number, nothing will happen. We will vote, we will defend our vote, and we will produce the next governor.
Oredo Ward 3 Councillor Joseph Efosa Abe, Professor Faith Osadolo, and retired David Ohiria contact the local government council for the development and could promise them go come out in their large numbers to vote for PDP on September 21.
It's a great project, and you can see that since these roads were created, they have never been asphalted. So it's not we are constructing from the basis these roads. They've been here for over 40-50 years. So this is development going to the people. So I'm very happy that we are inaugurating these roads today.
This is the essence of good governance. When you say government is for the people, now development, they tell you no government when they're for the people. You can see these environments. There are never non-governments coming to bring this kind of development to them. For the first time some of the houses were built 50-60 years ago. Today, we have a responsible chairman of Oredo Council who knows the essence of governance and is bringing development to the grassroots, to the people, and we are very happy about it.
I want to say thank you very much. Say this kind of thing they happen for our time. Now good thing, like they come our ward. This kind of thing never happened for our ward before. So the council chairman and the leaders who did this our ward, may God continues to bless them. And this time around, for Ward 3, now block votes, now we want to give Asunwe Godaro.
It's a nice one to do our street. We all are happy over it. We all are happy for it. We are happy indeed, and we praise them and we bless them for it, so that they will continue as they do to this area. Let them do it to the other area like that. We will be happy. We praise the government. We praise the government who is doing it now. We praise them well. We thank them very much because they have done something good. They have done what Napoleon could not do. We are very happy. We thank God and we praise them for it.
This project is something we are very excited about because for some of us who have their houses here from generations back, we are happy to have it. We've not seen this kind of government presence before since the days of Midwestern region. It's the first time. To start with, they started by giving us street lights. Now they want to tar Victor Avenue and Omoruyi. So, it's what that means. It means development. It means a better life for the people of this area, and we're excited about it. We really thank the chairman of the local government, Dr. Tom Obaseki, for deeming it necessary to do this for us now.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Oredo local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.